Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily replace your Mini Cooper emblem. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a heat gun, and some cleaning supplies. Having your new emblem ready will make the installation smooth. Let's get started and give your Mini a fresh, new look in just a few simple steps. First, we need to carefully remove the old emblem. Gently apply heat with a heat gun to soften the adhesive behind the emblem. This makes it much easier to remove without damaging your car's paint. Then, use a plastic trim removal tool to slowly and carefully pry the emblem away from the surface. Once it's off, make sure to clean any leftover adhesive thoroughly. Before installing your brand new emblem, proper surface preparation is absolutely crucial for a lasting bond. Take your time to thoroughly clean the area where the emblem will sit. Use an automotive-grade cleaner, followed by an alcohol wipe, to remove any wax, grease, or dirt. This ensures the new adhesive will stick perfectly. A clean, dry surface is key to a successful installation. Now for the exciting part, installing your new Mini Cooper emblem. Carefully peel off the backing from the new emblem, exposing the adhesive. Align it precisely with the original position, taking your time to get it just right. Once aligned, press firmly and evenly across the entire emblem for about 30 seconds. Allow the adhesive to cure for at least 24 hours before washing your car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.